Good morning. So I am in the guest room this morning because I'm about to go ahead on and start putting everything out that I've purchased, making my adjustments and all that good stuff to get this room ready for mom when she comes to visit in a few weeks. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead on and raise these curtains. When I first did this room, these are like 84 inches, but I want them to be 96. So I'm gonna raise the curtain rod, and I'm actually gonna run out to Home Goods and see if I can find that comforter that I had showed you guys in the store, because I left it because they said it didn't come with shams, and I know it comes with shams. At least online it came with shams, but I haven't been able to find another one, and it's a Vera Wang coverlet. So when I looked online, the actual set was like $150, $60. So to get the actual most important part for what they were trying to sell it, which was like, I think it was $50, it's a good deal. So I'm just gonna go back and hope that they have it. So fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Yeah, so I'm gonna run and do that, and then I'm gonna come back and go ahead on and get started with putting everything out and getting this room ready for guests. I'm gonna show you guys what this room looks like because I keep talking about it, but I haven't showed you guys yet. It's not terrible. It's a little different from when I first redid it because I did have to change the comforter and stuff, but and I already put the chair and the rug from the loft in here, but I'm not gonna keep that rug. Well, I don't know. I think the rug is too small. So I'm gonna eventually get a new rug. Not sure if I'm gonna do it right at this moment, but I know this rug is too little for this room, so I'm probably gonna end up selling it and getting another one, and in the meantime I just won't have a rug in here. But anyway, no, I'm not gonna talk your ears off. Let me show you guys what I'm working with, and all this junk and stuff that you see behind the door and behind me is stuff that I bought that I'm gonna be putting up in here. And I have some stuff out there on the ledge too, that's just stacked that I've bought to go inside this room. This is what the guest bedroom looks like right now. Blush and gray, and that comforter is on sideways, but it's okay. So this is the rug, and the rug is just too short, I feel like. So this rug is a 3x5, but I really need to get a 5x7 because a 5x7 would at least extend over to like right here, and the room is too small for a 6x9. So here's the chair that came out of the loft area. And if you look, you can see what I was talking about. It's so dark. Let me see if I turn this way. Still love this picture, but I'm gonna put it in my bathroom. Okay, so there you go. The curtains are 84 inches. So they go all the way down to the floor, but they don't go all the way to the top of the ceiling. And I wanna make sure that I put them all the way at the top of the ceiling. So I'm gonna be changing that. This is gonna stay, and everything. So I'm gonna let a little natural light in here. There you go, you can see it a lot better. So this is it. Those mirrors are borderless. I do want to change those out, but I don't think that I'm gonna do it now because I'm just trying to like get it the bedroom prepped. I'm not trying to do like a complete makeover. So I'm gonna put the lamp back over there and everything. The room is too small. The room is very small, so it doesn't take a whole lot in here, but this is what it is, guys. So I'm just trying to add the navy blue in here, make it you know, go up a notch, and that's pretty much it. It's a really small space. I'm about to go to Chick-fil-A and get me a 4-count chicken mini and some hash browns because I did not cook breakfast today. Your girl needs to go to the grocery store, so I'm either gonna do my Kroger click list or we're gonna have to go make groceries because I can't be spending all this money on breakfast. So yeah, but I'm headed to Chick-fil-A now because I need to eat, and I'm not doing coffee today. Like usually I could do coffee and that will hold me over until lunchtime, but I want some real food, so that's what it is until I get to the grocery store. I am sitting in Home Goods parking lot. About to eat my chicken minis right quick. Probably just gonna eat 2 and finish the rest of them at my aunt's house because I am going to get my little boo-boo. He's gonna hang out with me for a little while. So hash browns, bomb. they still have my cover in here. I'm gonna be so hurt if that thing has sold already. So hopefully they still have it. They have it. They actually have two. Last time I only saw that one. So here's one that's like brand new, and it's 50 bucks. I love the color of it, and I think it'll go perfect. So yay, I'm glad they still had it, y'all. We have a special guest that's gonna help out with the guest room. Trey, say hey, everybody. Trey, say hey, everybody. Say I'm helping out today. Okay. So this is the comforter from Home Goods. Excuse me, sir. Are you trying to tear up my pillows? That buckle is mighty interesting to you. It don't come off, pumpkin. You can't take it off. Y'all look. He is fascinated by the buckle. Anyway, all right, so let's see if this is the right color. So this is more of a neutral, and I actually like it. I think it's light, and those are the curtains, so I'm thinking it's gonna go really good because I didn't want to do this dark of a gray. So we'll see once I put everything together. Big boy, you just set up by yourself. Tell everybody who you are, making your debut appearance. Say, my daddy is DK. So D-Trey is my cousin DK and his girlfriend Coco's baby boy. He's 6 months old. You guys have seen DK and Coco in previous vlogs. If you watch my vlogs, they have been in a few. And this is their little new bundle of joy, hanging out with me today. I'm fascinated by my button. I mean, that button just won't come off. How dare that button not come off that pillow? I mean, like, what's wrong with that pillow? Trey, don't untie your shoestrings. I'll show everybody your new tooth. Let's see. Let's see if we can show everybody your new tooth. You just gonna stick your tongue out. There it was. There it goes. There goes that new tooth. See, it's time for a nap. See, it is time for us to take a nap. Alright, y'all. So I was trying to make groceries so that I can go do my click list. Somebody didn't want me on the computer. Isn't that right? He wanted to come get in between me and the computer. So I'm gonna see if I can finish making groceries. And then I can roll up, and then they can just put them in the car. Exactly. Right. We need groceries. We have to eat. All right. Let's see. Definitely need some eggs. Add that to the cart. I need to see if I can select a time. I was hoping to get it in today, but they usually have me do a pickup time before I even start shopping. Really, Trey? We need milk. Really? And cousin needs to go to the nail shop. We need electrolyte water, ground turkey, all that.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. left of me. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like
Alright y'all, so the curtains are up. I really wanted to keep using the sheer white ones, but those are ride pocket. No, those are grommet and these are ride pocket, so y'all saw that it didn't look right. So I'm just not gonna use these, but I may find some grommet sheer ones that would go up here. But I like the way it looks. You see how it makes the room look a lot longer and taller. So my pillow covers came in from Amazon, and I already had these large 26-inch Euro pillows right here. So I'm basically just gonna put the pillow covers on these pillows, and I was able to save about $100 just because these are those large 26 by 26 pillows, and instead of me having to buy new ones, I just have pillow covers. So they're so pretty. I thought they were a little lighter online, but it still is okay. They're more of a blue-gray color, not as periwinkle. So I'm about to stuff them into these pillows right here.
maybe just a better kind of bitter, 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 bitter,
So, look at my pillow, brand new, isn't it nice? It's so nice.
I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet.
Alright, let's get this bed made up.
Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer.
I think I'm gonna go on Amazon and get 2 pillow covers for these pillows right here, just to add some color in here. So maybe like something with some gold or champagne, just to put like on the sides. So I think these are probably like 14 or 18. So I'm just gonna cover them and instead of buying new pillows. Alright, so this is what the guest bedroom is currently looking like. I like the way that it's turning out. I definitely plan to incorporate some more gold in here, just to bring out the gold foils and stuff in this picture up here. But for the most part, it is coming along fine. I added some Bath & Body Works aromatherapy and a candle on the tray because my mom loves that place as much as I do. And this tray actually came from my kitchen. I'm not using it anymore, so I decided to put it in here instead of going out and getting a new one. But yeah, gonna add some gold pillows and stuff in there. But that's pretty much everything for now. I'm gonna do a little bit more organizing and maybe see if I can find a better pillow to put in that chair. Kept the rug down here temporarily, so I'm gonna run out, but I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching and decorating along with me. Bye guys.